Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex money topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to check APR on your credit card in 2025. If you're wondering what APR even is, it's the annual percentage rate, the interest you'll pay on your credit card balance if you don't pay it off in full. With rising interest rates and new regulations in 2025, knowing your APR is more crucial than ever for managing debt and saving money. So, let's dive right in. First things first, grab your credit card statement. Most statements list the APR prominently, often under the interest charges or terms section. If you're like me and prefer digital everything, head to step 2. Log into your credit card issuer's online portal or app. For example, if you have a Visa from Bank of America, go to their website, sign in, and navigate to the Account Details, or Rates and Fees page. There, you'll find your APR clearly displayed, usually for purchases, cash advances, and balance transfers. If you're still unsure, don't panic. Reach out to customer service. Most issuers, like Chase or American Express, have 24/7 support. Just call the number on the back of your card and ask directly. They might even explain any promotional APRs that could change in 2025 due to new financial laws. Another handy tip: use tools like credit monitoring apps or websites from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to compare and verify your rate. Remember, checking your APR isn't a one-time thing. With potential updates in 2025, make it a habit to review it quarterly. This way, you can avoid surprise interest charges and make smarter financial decisions, like transferring balances to a lower rate card. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.